Ajulkrio baby playpen. So this is a 50 by 50 playpen. Great for both babies, toddlers, or even pets. So here's a quick look at the assembly of it. Honestly, it was super quick to set up. Only took me about 15 minutes tops. It is nice and lightweight, as well as having a anti-slip base. There actually is pieces that you can attach onto the floor and it will give it a suctioning. Really appreciate too that you can cover up the pieces so it just looks more sleek too. As you can see, I folded over there. My dog is super happy in it. Plenty of space. You could even fit like 2 toddlers at a time in there. You get a full 360 field of view when they're in it, so they can see throughout all the kind of mesh netting. There also is a little pocket on there if you need to store anything in this little corner piece. Material of it is BPA free and non-toxic. Highly recommend it. Check it out.